We need this gray body to build my mock Actar. And so first we'll need 2 red thingies and put it on the balance over here. And then we'll need this black piece over here and stick it there. Right over there. And then we'll need to rip this, and then we'll put it on this big giant armor. Then we'll stuck it right there. Wait. We'll need this thing. And away. We'll put it on this. And then we'll need this piece and one of this. Then we'll need this. And then we'll connect it there. Then on the back, we'll need this and this right over there. And then we'll need 2 red pieces. And there and there. See? And then we'll need this. And then we'll need to put it here. And then the other one is same. The other one is facing the other way. Just like that. Then we're going to do this. Just a teeny little sticking out on each side. Okay. And then we'll need this. And then put it on this shiny chest, very thin kind of thing. And then put it over there. See? Then we'll need these 2 black pieces for the arm. One over there, one over there. And we'll need this, and then this. Then we'll need 2 of these to put it down there. Then we're gonna put this, and we'll need the rest too, like that. Oops. Just to do something. And then you're gonna put this black thing, and then put it right there. Then for the other one is the same kind of way. So first this, then this, and you'll put this, just like that. Then we'll need this awesome part. Actually, not really the awesome part. And last, for the legs. First, we'll need this on each. Then we'll need this purple kind of thing and stick it right there. Then we'll need this. and then put it down there. Then we're gonna do this. And then I'm gonna put this feet. The Matanui feet. Yeah, Matanui feet. On the back, we'll put this gun. See? And then that's done. Thank you for watching.